Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your customer accounts, how you can check your customer accounts on Shopify website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, you have to log in your Shopify account, and after that, we have to go to the settings icon. So let's click on the settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, so as you can see here, you will get the option customer account. So we have to click on the customer account, and after clicking on the customer account, as you can see, accounts in online store and checkout. So currently I have no account because the account is Shopify website account is new, and that's why so customers are not here. So if you want to edit these settings, you can also do that. You have to click on the edit. So as you can see, now you have to show login link in the header of the online store. So you can also do that. You have to click on this to the new customer or the classic customer. For example, I want for the new customers. So you have to choose that. And after that, as you can see, self-serve return. So if you want this, then you have to click on the turn on, and the self-serve return will be on. And after that, as you can see, this is the link of your Shopify account. You can also do that. This is you can also manage this domain as well. After doing these all settings, then simply you have to hit the save, and these all settings will be saved. So as you can see, in this way you can control your customer accounts. You can change them, you can check out these all things. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys on the next video.